Whenever you place a trade on an exchange, you're placing that trade on something called the order book. The order book is essentially a long line, and you're able to insert your order at any place in the line that you wish. If you're patient, you can wait really far back in line, or if you're impatient, you can rush your order to the very front and make sure that it gets filled right away. Trading is all about exchange. So you're exchanging Bitcoin for stable coins, for Ethereum, for XRP, for whatever token. It's all about that trade, but it's all about the order in which it takes place. So the order book is really important. In 3Commas, when you're looking at smart trade, you do have the ability to view a trading view chart and the order book right there on the page. So when you're looking at where you might want to place your orders, the order book can provide some helpful information to let you know where there might be a group of a lot of people waiting to buy or waiting to sell. So going back to trading directly on an exchange, most exchanges do not have the extensive tool set that 3Commas offers. It's not really their primary purpose. Believe it or not, exchanges are there to facilitate a safe exchange from one side to the other. That's really their primary focus, to make sure that their servers are staying up, that people are being served, and that their order times are happening very quickly. Also, most exchanges focus on one-sided transactions or one-sided trades. These are simply just a buy order or a sell order, and they don't provide a wide tool set to allow you for any outcome, whether it's bullish, bearish, positive, or negative. When you're trading directly on an exchange, often most trading websites have some sort of very easy to understand layout where things are just very clear, very simple, but you're not getting all the information. And then they have an advanced view that, depending on the exchange, looks like the control center for Apollo 13. The benefit, again, of using 3Commas is that, yes, you get all that information, but really it's more about creating and building your orders, building your bots, so that way when you start those trades, when you start those bots, it runs and you don't have to keep coming back to that really confusing control center every single time. Exchanges are also notorious for not giving a ton of information. They show you how much of your tokens are being used or not used. They tell you generally what the profit could be for a specific open trade, but not the overall portfolio value, especially over time. Whereas 3Commas, their dashboard showing you all the connected exchanges you have will show you the ups and the downs of your portfolio. You're able to view all of your active open trades. You're able to create new trades based on the tokens that you've already been holding for a long time to figure out what is your actual unrealized profit and loss, or P&L. Exchanges also charge a trading fee for all trades, whether it's buying or selling. 3Commas pads all their orders, whether it's smart trade, DCA bots, or grid bots, with this padded trading fee amount. So that way, when you actually close a trade in the profit, you do see net profit because it's looking at net profit after the trading fee. Also, understand that 3Commas does not take a percentage out of any of your trades for trading fees. Everything that you're paying for is based on your subscription level on 3Commas. So no, you don't pay to trade. You subscribe to 3Commas and they don't take a percentage of any of your trades. If you've ever used a trading bot like a grid bot directly on an exchange, maybe it's worked out well for you, but I can bet that they're not giving you all the information that 3Commas offers, especially in their DCA bots and their grid bots. So how does 3Commas actually transmit the orders to exchanges? Well, they're pretty smart. They have picked out servers that are closest to the physical locations of the exchange's servers. So that way the transactions times just cost a couple of milliseconds. So there's near zero latency between you starting the order on 3Commas and it arriving and executing on the exchange.